Once upon a time, there was a guy. His name was Gary. Gary was a very nice guy. He wasn't greedy either. He was poor. He lived in a small house in Japan. One day, he saw a bird. It was bleeding a lot on its wing, so he brought it to his house. He put a bandage on it, and gave it rice and water. The next day, he decided that he needed to put it back where it was. So he did. The next day, he found the same bird in his house. This time, the bird said, "Thank you. You saved me, so I will help you." Gary said, "No, thank you. I like where I'm living, and I don't need riches." The bird said, "Okay. Goodbye, Gary." The end.